Welcome to our channel. How to pair a Wi-Fi mesh extender with an AT&T router. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before you begin, make sure your Wi-Fi mesh extender supports connection with standard AT&T routers. Most modern mesh systems work with AT&T fiber and AT&T Internet gateways without any issues. Step 2. Place the mesh extender nearby. Plug the mesh extender into a power outlet close to your AT&T router for the initial setup. Keeping both devices near each other helps create a stable connection. Step 3. Download the Mesh app. Install the manufacturer's app, such as TP-Link Deco, Aero, Google Home, Linksys, or Netgear Orbi, on your phone. Open the app and create or sign into your account. Step 4. Power on the mesh extender. Wait until the LED light starts blinking, indicating that the extender is ready for setup. If it doesn't blink, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Step 5. Connect to the AT&T router. Open the Mesh app and select Set up a new device. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the extender to your AT&T router. Some models connect wirelessly, while others may require a temporary Ethernet cable. Step 6. Create or copy your Wi-Fi network. During setup, you can either use the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password as your AT&T router for seamless roaming, or create a new network name if you prefer separate connections. Using the same network name usually provides the best experience. Step 7. Wait for the connection to complete. The app will configure the mesh extender automatically. This may take a few minutes. Once the LED turns solid, color depends on the brand, the connection is successful. Step 8. Move the extender to its final location. Unplug the extender and place it halfway between your AT&T router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Avoid placing it behind furniture, near microwaves, or inside cabinets. Step 9. Test your Wi-Fi signal. Walk around your home with your phone or laptop and check the Wi-Fi strength. Make sure devices switch smoothly between the router and the mesh extender without losing connection. Step 10. Optimize your network. Open the Mesh app and check for firmware updates. Enable features like band steering, automatic channel selection, or fast roaming if available. Restart both the AT&T router and the mesh extender after updates for the best performance. Thanks for watching.